So today we got a 2001 Nissan Xterra. It is four-wheel drive. Got some a little dinged up there. That's pretty much all faded out. Got a bunch of crap like dog hair, stains. Seats are kind of tore up. Really not much to these things. See, a little bit of food. Jackets. But what I'm gonna do is, since this thing, it is a 2001, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the seats out, and I'm just gonna pull the carpet up, and we're gonna pressure wash it out instead of wasting time doing that. I am gonna vacuum it out first before I get it all out. The paint, as you can tell, it's obviously gonna need some more. Hey, it's obviously gonna need some work. Okay, so I got everything. I took the front two seats out. I am going to take those out, but I just kind of wanted you to see all the all the stuff that's been in here. I am going to remove both these little center consoles right here. I already took the screws out for them. It's actually pretty simple to take everything apart. They're just filthy, so I am going to end up pressure washing them, but I'm going to vacuum the carpet before I actually pull it out and get that started. Got all the carpets out. The trunk compartment back there, I'm not really going to mess with it because it's really not that bad, or at least I'm not going to take it out. I'm going to clean it, but I'm just going to use the extractor and the brush, agitate all that. But this, I know, I mean, obviously y'all saw too just by looking at it that it hadn't been touched in probably forever, so it's best just to go ahead and get all that out. There's not really a smell, but you can tell carpet pads pretty bad, so we're gonna go ahead get all that replaced, or not replaced, but soak down, pressure wash all that, all the floor mats, seat cushions. I mean, that's just disgusting. And the center console. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the pressure washer out. My friend here is gonna help me. Hey. We'll see how it goes. So now I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. As you can tell, that does make a huge difference. I mean, you're not gonna get them perfect unless you go dime, especially with something that's almost 20 years old. Let it dry. Once it gets done drying, we will go back and start putting everything together. And like I said, those seats, the seats are leather. So once I get them back in, I'll clean them. The actual seat covers and stuff, I'm just gonna put them in the washing machine and then dry them, just because it'll be easier that way. Plus, I feel like it'd get it cleaner. Okay, now that we've got it looking a little bit better, I'll wash it real quick. I've got to brighten or use acid on the rims, bring them back out. But all this plastic and stuff, this dull, there's a couple different methods that you can use. Most of the time we'll use paint sealer, and it actually works pretty good. You see how it's all dull, cracked. I mean, again, it's 20 years old. It's been hit in the front, but I just don't like the way that looks. So what I'm gonna try today is to use an actual compound. It's not back to black, it's something chemical guys made. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it does. So this is stuff I'm gonna be using from Car Guys. I got it off of Amazon. Most of their stuff's available on there. So we're gonna try it out. So this is the after. Turned out, she thinks we're leaving. This is the after. They're pretty good. I didn't mess with the steps. They're pretty decent. This, it didn't really do much of anything. Then here, and I did the little trim pieces around the windows and then the door handles. It did do a good job on that though. I was impressed. Still waiting on the carpet to finish up drying, and then we'll start piecing it back together. You have to forgive the wind. It's blowing pretty hard. So I got the carpet back in, and the center console's there. But I like to think that it looks about 100 million times better so far. We'll put the seats back in, finish cleaning it up, and we're getting close. Alright, so the wind is blowing, but it's going to be finished for the time being. I mean, again, I know by no means perfect. You have to forgive the phone cord. But from where it started to now, looks awesome. Like I said, there wasn't really a terrible smell to it whenever I first started cleaning it, but it's got that new clean smell. But again, I'm happy with the way that it turned out. But if you hadn't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully y'all enjoy it.